Ravenous. Haven't posted since I think 2017. But so my car, you got spray painted. It's cleaner now. A Crazy X, Psycho X, got obsessed with me. Painted my car. That tire was slashed, but I got a new tire on it because I need to drive my car. Painted the windows. They only painted one side, which confuses me, but they busted my window too. Put dents in it. Scratched it. Keyed it all the heck. Yeah. But I'm probably gonna start posting again. Check my Instagram out. I'll leave it in the description. You can see the pictures before I cleaned it off, and add my Snapchat. It'll be in the description as well. All right, see y'all later.